So I figured I would upgrade from our older Shark vacuum to this new 0M self-cleaning version. Good thing is it comes well packaged. When you get everything out of the box, there's only 2 pieces you have to put together, the wand and the hose, and then it also comes with 3 hose attachments. It's mostly self-explanatory with a few yellow stickers to remove here and there. Nice thing is this one has a slider for minimum or maximum suction power, which actually works really well. A couple things I noticed right away was the larger dustbin on this one versus our previous model. Pretty similar design, just a lot taller. Then once you get your attachments where you like them on the sides, you're pretty much ready to go. There's a release button on the right hand side, and the main reason I got this one was the self-cleaning brush roll, which actually looks really nice. This one also swivels when turning. You've also got easy access to the front filter, and you've got one below the dustbin as well. Now, one thing I noticed is this sweeper is not going to be the most quiet out there, but personally I don't really mind considering it feels quite a bit more powerful than our older model. And I only have to use the suction control at about halfway for our thicker carpeted areas, even less on rugs. This thing easily picks up a huge pile of dog hair and dirt, as you can see here, with no problems at all. But of course, the best part of this vacuum is that the dog hair isn't wrapped all around the brush. Like on my previous sweepers, I'm actually shocked at how well this thing works. I mean, if you're thinking of getting a Shark vacuum and you have pets, make sure it's one that says 0M with the self-cleaning brush roll. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.